Hello, welcome back to Capsim GlobalDNA CompXM. Capsim GlobalDNA CompXM with 4 rounds and 5 quizzes. This is CompXM and different from student to student, so do not copy the number. Use the strategy. I show you the strategy and then you can customize and adjust that for your game because the number may be different from student to student because it is CompXM, right? 4 rounds and 5 quizzes. So for the marketing, we check the price here to set the price for the budget and the price here for the performance. We also adjust the regional promotion and sales, and we calculate the price for 29 for round 2. 29 for round 2. Now round 2 we started to have 4 products to start selling, and performance we set 41.5 for the 3 markets, right? And also apply for the new performance product. This is very important to set promotion and sales here and calculate the sales forecast based on the number of units we sold from last round here. Number of units we sold from last round here, and also the percentage of growth here for 3 markets for budgets, and growth here for the America. Here you see 5% and 10%, roughly 10%, Europe 15 and 25, roughly 25%, and then Asia Pacific roughly 30 or 40%, right? So we calculate the product here, the sales forecast here for the, we have 4 products and 3 markets. We do that 12 times, okay, 12 times, again 12 times. So that's overview for the marketing decision for the CompXM GlobalDNA. If you need the support, you can send the email, or any question you can send the email. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.